Got an unboxing for the Grand Marquis. So let's make this video short. It's an exhaust tip, one of two for my Grand Marquis. Let me just take this. Okay, here it is. 2.5 on this end, 3.5 on the other. You can see the size of my hand compared to this tip. I wanted the marauder look coming out of the back, so I just got this one, but with an angle cut tip instead of a straight. This one looks like it's in good shape. No nicks, no dings. Gonna open up the other one and see how that one turned out. Let me just take it out of this bubble wrap real quick. This one's in good shape too. 3.5 inch. 2.25 on this end. And that's it. More videos to come. Until then.